Simply not just a fantasy. Ancient places, all you ever do. Make it all my fairy tales come true.
Back in Houston, they got a big problem with making a new flight planner to the MD-80.
Is the A-liner safe?
Of course it is.
Are you completely sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you completely sure?
Yes, and don't ask me again. If you do that, I got personally gonna kick your shit after your fucking ass.
Once more, are you completely sure?
Shoot him. Nah, I'm just... Ooh. Here, your ticket. Ooh. Mom, ticket, please. Once more, you're too cool. You can't go on the airplane. Yes, I can. This airliner suck. Whoa. Is the airliner Thomas Cook? If it was called Thomas Cook, you couldn't join. Why? I'm your sister. Shut the hell up.
Hooga booga hooga booga hooga booga.
Yeah, sure. Hooga. Hooga booga hooga booga hooga booga. Hooga. Katashki, go to it. Shall you pull the way? Of course you can get on the airplane. Later, 1 hour later. And if you don't get it, 1 hour later. Ooh. Hooga, hooga.